The tools you are going to need to fix your leaky magazine is JB Weld Black Ultimate, a gas key valve, and a CO2 cartridge. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky gas blowback CO2 magazine. This one in particular is a KJ Works KP05 CO2 magazine. It's a brand new magazine. I bought it from an Airsoft store. They sent it to me. It leaked. I sent it back, the RMA form, and it's still leaking. So I'm not gonna send it back. I'm gonna fix it myself, save them their time and shipping costs, and it's gonna be really easy to fix, guys. You always want to keep your gas blowback magazines lubricated, especially the CO2 ones, because the O-ring is deep in the magazine well. It's so hard to find a tool that will turn the release to get the O-ring out. I've not done it yet, but it looks really hard. I've tried with a screwdriver. It just won't budge. So here I have a gas key valve. This one in particular is a shooter's design. I bought this one from an overseas airsoft store when I upgraded my Tokyo Marui Glock 17 to a metal slide by PGC, and also the Garter tan lower frame. I highly recommend that you buy a gas key valve. I would not recommend using any tools from around the house. I did that in the past and I really stripped up the release valve, and it's now pretty much useless. Now we are going to apply the JB Weld to the release valve on the threads and the O-ring. What we don't want to do is apply it to the holes where the gas shoots out, because that will really ruin the gun. Just be really careful when you do this and make sure it's only on the threads and the O-ring. Just make sure to wipe up any excess JB Weld Ultimate Black off the release valve in case you got it near the holes where the gas escapes. When you screw the release valve back on, make sure you do not over tighten it because you can damage it. Just turn it until it cannot turn anymore, and just give it one little extra twist to make sure it's sealed on. Always oil your gas blowback magazines before you use them. And just like that, the gas blowback magazine is no longer leaking. And to prove that point, we're going to shoot the gas out the top of the release valve. But I would not recommend doing this often because you can damage some of the parts in the magazine. I hope this video has helped you fix your leaky gas blowback magazines, whether or not you used a CO2 magazine or you're running green gas, propane, or duster gas. If this video has helped you fix your gas blowback magazine, please like the video and comment below. Thanks for watching actual Airsoft review on how to fix a CO2 leaky gas blowback magazine review.